In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set a custom welcome message on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to Meta Business Suite. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Inbox. This is where you can manage conversations and message settings for your Facebook business page. This will take you to the area where Meta Business Suite lets you create and manage automatic responses for your page. On the template page, find the section called Greet People. Under that section, click Auto Reply. This option is used to send a welcome message to people who contact your page for the first time. Once you open the Auto Reply settings, take a moment to review the automation details. You should see information explaining that this message will be sent automatically when someone messages your page for the first time. This is a good time to confirm that you are editing the correct automation. Next, click Edit or Customize if that option is available on your screen. This will open the message editor so you can change the text that new customers will receive. Now type the welcome message that you want first-time customers to see. Keep your message clear, friendly, and professional. You can thank them for reaching out, let them know you will respond soon, or provide a short introduction to your business. After entering your message, review everything carefully. Check the wording of the message and look over any automation settings that appear on the page. Make sure the message is correct and that the automation is set up the way you want. When you are satisfied with the message, click Save to apply your changes. This will update the automatic greeting for your Facebook business page. After saving, return to the inbox. It is a good idea to test the setup before you finish. To do that, send a test message to your Facebook business page from another account. Then confirm that the automatic welcome message is sent as expected. If the message appears correctly, your setup is complete. This is a simple way to make sure new customers receive a quick and professional first response when they contact your business on Facebook. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.